Squarespace just made selling digital products and courses easier than ever. In 60 seconds, I'll show Squarespace new tools for products and courses. Step 1. Add a digital product. Upload files, set price, and deliver instantly. New file delivery options include timed access, download limits, and secure hosting. Step 2. Create a course builder with modules, lessons, and drip schedules. Customize landing pages, add previews, and enable member-only access easily. Connect payments, set taxes, and choose flexible checkout options fast. Use built-in analytics to track sales, engagement, and student progress. Optimize product pages with SEO titles, clear pricing, and fast download links. Preview checkout flow and test purchases using sandbox mode before you launch. Launch with email automation, coupons, and limited-time offers to boost sales. Ready to sell? Start your Squarespace site, enable products, and go live today.